USA media, UK media, and Israeli media, even state media, like Jerusalem Post and many, have been publishing that IDF could collapse. That's the Israel Defense Forces could collapse because a lot of soldiers are dying and many are even running away from the battlefield. You must also remember that many people have been posting houses of the presidents. This has happened for Ugandans who have posted the photos of State House Uganda, and for Nigeria, many Nigerians have also posted saying to Iran that this is the location where Muhoozi hides, so you bomb it. So you would be wondering, why is this guy even talking about this? Well, let's talk about it anyway, and you find out at the end if it was worth it. Uganda versus Iran, a precise military comparison. The context: on March the 26th, 2026, Uganda's Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi declared that Uganda would enter the Iran-Israeli war on Israel's side. He claimed the single Uganda People's Defense Force, as UPDF brigade, could capture Tehran, and warned that any attack on Israel would trigger Uganda's intervention. The statement pits regional African force against a major Middle Eastern military power. Below, what's coming is a power comparison of the capabilities and the feasibility of such happening. Military comparison. Let's start with personnel. Looking at Iran, there are approximately 610,000 active duty personnel, including 190,000 in the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, that's IRGC. Uganda, approximately 45,000 active personnel. Paramilitary reserves number, roughly 10,000. The defense budget for Iran is undisclosed but among the largest in the region. Sustains domestic arms production and regional proxy networks. For Uganda, it's approximately $1.5 billion annually, focus on peacekeeping and internal security. If we go to look at land forces, Iran has over 2,000 tanks, extensive armored vehicles, and a large artillery inventory. For Uganda, it's roughly 250 tanks, mostly older models, limited armored capability. If we go up in the sky, that's air power. Iran has over 300 combat-capable aircraft, plus a vast inventory of drones, including Shahed loitering munitions. Uganda has 26 combat-capable aircraft, minimal drone offensive capability.
They have to stop them inside. Ask them where they have them inside. Right by inside.
Checking on the missile arsenal, Iran has 2,000 to 3,000 medium-range
to terrorize an adversary's cities and pressure its government.
8,000 short-range missiles, hypersonic missiles.
Iran's space program, which includes
Uganda
the successful launch
has no
of several
ballistic
small
or cruise
so the
missiles.
language is not legally binding and cannot be enforced with
There's this AI video that I don't know who made it, but it's circulating everywhere for comedy, and that is mocking Uganda's attempt to launch a missile with a nuclear. That's you video. You can check it out. Now, the strategic reach. Iran controls the Strait of Hormuz, operates proxy forces in Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, Yemen, and Gaza, and can strike targets across West Asia. Uganda is landlocked, no power projection capability beyond East Africa, lacks strategic airlift and naval access. So is there a possibility of Uganda intervening? Let's see logistics. Uganda is landlocked, separated from the Middle East by over 3,500 kilometers. Deploying a brigade would require strategic transport aircraft. Uganda does not possess an overflight permissions from multiple countries, which are unlikely. For combat viability, Uganda's military is configured for counter-insurgency and African Union peacekeeping. It has no experience in high-intensity warfare against ballistic missiles, advanced air defenses, or networked proxy forces. The political ramifications. Senator Jim Rick, Chair, U.S. Senator Foreign Relations Desk Committee, has warned that Muhoozi statements would jeopardize U.S.-Uganda security cooperation. Uganda's regional relationships with neighboring states may also be strained. Now, this means, despite siding with U.S. ally, they will have to also battle with U.S. itself. In conclusion, in terms of military power, Iran and Uganda operate in completely different categories. Iran ranks 16th globally with a missile-centric asymmetric warfare doctrine backed by a network of proxies. Uganda ranks 107th with a small regionally focused army and no means to project force into the Middle East. Muhoozi's threat carries no realistic military weight. It is best understood as a political statement aimed at signaling alignment with Israel and the United States, appealing to domestic audiences and reinforcing its political stature. Actual Ugandan military intervention in the Iran-Israeli war is logistically and strategically impossible.